Today, I'll walk you through how to use Gmail and Google Calendar together, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to schedule events directly from your emails, so you can manage your time more effectively. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to Gmail. This step is essential as it allows you to check for any existing emails that can be scheduled directly to your Google Calendar. Take a moment to log in if you haven't already. Once you're in your Gmail inbox, look to the right pane of the screen. You should see an icon for Google Calendar. Go ahead and click on that icon. This will open a mini version of Google Calendar right within your Gmail interface. It's a convenient way to manage your schedule without switching tabs. Now, to change the date for your event, click on the DROPDOWN menu that displays the current date. This will allow you to select a different date for your scheduled event. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different. The functionality remains the same. After choosing your desired date, it's time to select a time block for your event. Simply click on the time slot that works best for you. This step is crucial as it ensures that your event is set for the right time. Remember, you want to avoid any scheduling conflicts. Next, if necessary, fill in the details for your event. This could include the event title, location, and any additional notes you want to remember. Providing these details can help you stay organized and ensure you have all the information you need at your fingertips. It's like packing a bag for a trip. The more prepared you are, the smoother it will go. Once you've filled in the necessary information, click on the Save button. This action finalizes your event and adds it to your calendar. Think of it as sealing an envelope. Once it's sealed, it's ready to be sent out. To confirm that your event has been successfully added, head over to your Google Calendar. Check to see if your event is reflected on the calendar. This final step ensures that everything is in order and that you're ready for your upcoming plans. It's always good to double-check. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any snags, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.